Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Multiple Time Alignment Indicator delivers a powerful visual snapshot of short-term market momentum by bringing together multiple key time frames into a single cohesive tool. It helps to confirm directional strength across a range of intraday perspectives. At a glance, this row of color-coded labels presents the 5 most commonly watched intraday time frames. A 5-minute label stands in contrast to the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour charts, revealing where short-term weakness may diverge from the broader trend. The 5-minute label is represented by 5 individual 1-minute candles on the chart. Here, short-term price action is building the current 5-minute formation, giving insight into consolidation or reversals within the 5-minute range. Both the red label and the red vertical lines confirm the price is closing lower than it opened within this time frame. The view of the 1-minute candles confirms consolidation, showing indecision or pressure that may result in a strong price movement. Meanwhile, the remaining time frames, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour, all show bullish momentum. These upward trends are aligned across broader segments of market activity, reinforcing directional conviction even as the shorter-term view pauses or pulls back. The formulas for this indicator start with a simple but essential condition, comparing the closing price to the opening price for the candle. If the close is higher than the open, the result is considered bullish. The variable is 5-minute green, captures this logic for the 5-minute candle. This same test repeats across the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour time frames, creating a synchronized view of price strength across multiple layers of market action. With the color of the labels and lines determined, this next condition governs when and how vertical lines appear on the chart. By using the modulus operator, which is shown as a percentage symbol, it checks if the number of seconds since 9 a.m. divides evenly into specific intervals. For the 5-minute time frame, it triggers every 300 seconds, marking exact 5-minute windows. The color reflects the candle's direction, green for bullish, red for bearish. This logic repeats with larger time gaps for each additional period, creating a layered timeline of market momentum. The same bullish versus bearish logic is applied to color-coded labels, giving an instant snapshot of each time frame's status. If the 5-minute candle is bullish, its label appears green. If bearish, it turns red. This rule is mirrored across all 5 of the time frames, allowing traders to assess alignment at a glance without scanning any of the other chart time frames. The multiple time alignment indicator offers a clear and efficient way to visualize trend consistency across 5 essential intraday periods. By comparing the direction of each candle, it helps identify potential reversals, confirm ongoing momentum, and fine-tune trade timing with precision across multiple time frames. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools, and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.